Let's have Bonavita coffee! Must have na talaga sa akin to every morning. Bakit nga ba gusto ko ang Bonavita coffee? It's because I'm a coffee lover and must have ko talaga ang coffee every morning. Tapos, it contains superfoods pa like malunggay, mangosteen, guyabano, ganoderma, and acai berry extracts. Hindi kaya natin basta-basta makakain lahat ng superfoods na yun everyday. And masarap siya. Lasang-lasa yung coffee and creamy. Akala ko dati pag mga may malunggay powder or mga gulay powder, mapait. Pero this one is very delicious. Sweetened by stevia din to, kaya you don't have to worry about your sugar intake. Tinatry ko talagang i-incorporate ang malunggay sa daily diet ko, kaso ang hirap naman, di ba? Kaya mas kampante ako pag nakakainom ako ng Bonavita every morning, kasi I know na nakukuha ng body ko yung nutritional needs daily. Kaya if you want your coffee to be equally nutritious and delicious, try Bonavita 18-1 coffee drink na rin.